I'm Don with PeakGear, and I'm going to walk you through some of the features of the Bundu hardshell rooftop tent from Overland Vehicle Systems. OVS has 3 different tiers of rooftop tents, something for every budget level. Now, starting at the most budget-friendly, you've got the LD line. Next up, the HD line, which the Bundu is part of, and then you have their top tier, which is going to be the XD line. Now, the Bundu here features a classic clamshell design with configurations to sleep anywhere between 1 to 4 people. The one behind me right here is set up to sleep 2 adults comfortably. Now, this tent only weighs 120 pounds, and part of that weight savings is due to the top, which is an ABS plastic material. So it's lightweight and durable. Now, with the clamshell design, that means it's going to open up off the side of the vehicle. So it's gonna have a super small footprint when it's closed up, but it's gonna give you plenty of room for comfortable sleeping when it's deployed. Now, the ladder is actually going to deploy off this side that opens up. So this is only gonna be able to enter on one side, unlike some of the other designs like the wedge style, which you could enter from the driver, passenger, or rear of the tent. Not a downside, but something you should know about the clamshell design. The Bundu is constructed with premium ripstop material, ensuring that it's gonna hold up at whatever campsite you end up in. Now, one of my particular favorite features here are the windows. So not only do you have nylon mesh netting for your windows, but you have one on this side and there's one on the exact opposite side. So you deploy your rain flies with these tension poles here, you unzip that ripstop material and zip up the mesh netting, and now you're protected from the bugs, you're protected from the rain, and you can get a phenomenal cross breeze, keeping you cool inside this rooftop tent. In addition to these great side windows that I was mentioning on the Bundu hardshell rooftop tent, you also have a skylight. That's right, if you need to get a view of the stars at night, one of the benefits of the clamshell design is because the hardshell folds back, you do have a zippered cover right here that's gonna reveal the view of the night sky. The interior features a portable USB-powered light strip that you can plug into one of those pocket USB power banks that you may be carrying around with you already. Now, one downside of the interior is because of the design of the clamshell tent, it doesn't have a lot of storage pockets. Is that really a downside? Well, that's going to be up to your unique situation, but something you should know about regarding this style. So this covered entryway right here, that's supported by these 2 flexible poles, not only protects you from the elements when you're climbing in and out of your rooftop tent, but it has a great feature. Now, it doesn't come standard with the tent, but you could get the annex attachment, and that's going to zipper on right here and create a deployable room that's going to completely keep your tent access covered and dry in all types of weather, as well as provide you with some additional living space. And just in case you were wondering, this is not a diesel heater port. Right here, this is simply a flap that's gonna go over the seam for where that clamshell opens up, making sure that your interior stays nice and dry. The HD series does not come with a diesel heater port. If that is a must-have for your rooftop tent, you're gonna wanna check out the XD series from OVS. Now, because of the design of this ABS plastic shell on top of this rooftop tent, you're not gonna have the crossrail mounting options that some of the other tents from the OVS line offer. However, if you are looking for a small footprint, this one's hard to beat. If you're interested in learning more or purchasing your own Bundu hardshell rooftop tent from Overland Vehicle Systems, be sure to head over to our website at www.peakgear.com.